let us discuss one question related to magnetic moment. Typical type of questions related to magnetic moment, which you can solve using the vector representation only without any confusion. So the concept is magnetic moment, where magnetic effects of electric current. Understand the question and imagine the diagram properly, then only you will get it. See the first case. There is a like two semicircles. See, one is in xz plane and another is in xy plane. But the magnetic moment direction, how do you find? If you curl the fingers in the direction of current, thumb will give you the direction of magnetic moment. So here in xz plane, zx plane, so that is inward. So this is y, x. So inward means what? Minus y. So for this one, the magnetic moment is, so let's take the radius is r. So I into pi r square minus j cap. And for this one, m2 is, now it is like in this plane, horizontal plane, and the current is flowing from here like this. So current is flowing in this way means like this. So the thumb is downward. Downward means upward is z. Downward is minus z. So I into pi r square into minus k cap. But here semicircle only by 2 will come. So what is the resultant magnetic moment will become m1 bar plus m2 bar. So it is I pi r square by 2 is common, or minus, so j cap plus k cap. This is the way we can find it. If you find the magnitude, it will become what? Root 2. So if you want to find the magnitude, take it. It will become root 2 I pi r square. Now let's take another rectangular. Let's take the width b, length l. Depends, L depends upon they are given. Now if you consider here, current is flowing in this manner like this. And one more thing also, see, there is no wire here, there is no wire here. Then you have to imagine two lines here at the junction. So that this is one loop, this is another loop. For this, current is leftward. For this, current is rightward, so both get cancelled. Similarly, here also you can imagine two lines. For this, downward, and for this, upward, so both get cancelled. Now one is in xy plane and the magnetic moment must be along z, maybe plus or minus. Now if you take this, the thumb is inward, that is minus z. So for this one, m1 is I into area is length into breadth minus k cap. Similarly, you take this loop m2, again same I into L into B, but here this is the current is going in this way, this side. This is x, the other side minus x. YZ means obviously x direction, but maybe plus or minus. But here, depending upon the given direction, it is opposite to positive x. So minus I cap. So what is the resultant magnetic moment? M1 bar plus M2 bar. So that ILB, if you take common, I cap plus K cap minus. So what is the magnitude will become? Under root 1 square plus 1 square root 2. So this is how you have to imagine the closed loop for the given current element, so that you can find the magnetic moment of each loop and then you can go for the resultant. And this you can do only when you know the vector representation and vector resultant properly. So that's why the vector or mathematics, always it is important to solve the numerical.